Hello YouTubers! I'm proud to announce that I am the owner, me and my wife, of course. Donkey on the first place, me. That's manual, it's really thick, I need to. Proud owner of the 2019 Kona Electric. And as a valued customer, I got this thing here. Just a brief explanation of the charger cable, which didn't come included with it, but this one did. This one is originally whatever grammatically correct, is from Hyundai electric corner car. It was on the back seat, not on the back seat, so that's how it looks. I always wondered how long these cables for the electric cars are. Papa, I didn't want to do that. I always wanted to measure that. That's why I made this kind of jig and contraption to measure the cables. There you go. To measure the cables. Right. They're both the same on the outside because they follow the standard. This is Hyundai, and this one is a different company, but the thing is the same, right? They have a combination of the fast charger. This one, Hyundai one, is only 16 amp. It says 250, but it's not. This one is 16 240 volts, and the other one, this one original for Hyundai is 110 only. So it's only 110 volt, 12 amps. So I'm just gonna measure this guy here. This guy from here over there. So this one should be all together, one piece, 17 feet, right? Yeah, that's right. 5.3 meters altogether, which is amazing. But this one is crazy long. My house, if you measure from that angle to this angle, so complete width of the house is almost 35 feet. So, like 7.6 meters, 25 feet. A little bit less than that. But look at this guy. This, with this extension, which has 3-prong for the old type dryer extension. With this extension, that cable is long, 25 there and almost 25 there, so 50 feet, so 14 meters, 50 feet. And if you can record this, just quickly. This cable from Hyundai is a 3 times 12 gauge, 3.3. So 3 times 12 gauge, 3.3. Just hold it, I'll move it. And yeah, 300 volts. And 1 time 18 American gauge, 3 times 12. But this guy here, it's very long. See? And this is 16. That's a good one because it works on 110 and 220 volts. And it is a 16 amps at 220 volts. Minus 30 to plus 50, right? Yeah. Is it sharp? Yeah, it is sharp enough. So that one should be 2.45, almost 2.5 more juice. Because 16 amps at 220 volts should give you like 3.4, 3.5 kilowatt. And this one is only 1.4 kilowatts charging. So if you divide that numbers, should give you 2.45 or 2.5. Both uses the same connection, just this one is a little bit tougher. Yeah, and the good thing, this one comes with this thing here. It's very handy, right? The charger cable itself is 3-prong, 30 amps, 250. That's L630P, and you just plug it like this. Okay, this one goes around here, right? And then you kind of turn it, twist it, so it's not going to be accidentally pulled like this. 5mm, and it's ready. And yeah, this one is kind of softer rubber, really nice, and comes with this very nice feature. Just looking for a better light. See, it goes like this, and my idea just to put it in the ceiling and then unlock it and press and charge it. It's very handy, right? So far for the cables. We have in car already 3 days and I'm overwhelmed. I still didn't read the manuals. Did you see the size of the manuals? And I want to read everything because accidentally I was charging on an original cable and I wanted to start the car and didn't allow me to I couldn't remove the cable. I didn't know what's going on. Then I read in the manuals very fast in case you cannot, because it's preventing for somebody's gonna steal your car charging cables when you put it. It locks itself, so you cannot remove it. I didn't know that. And you have to open the hood and you have to pull some dinghy and it releases manually, so you can unplug because you cannot start the car, you cannot move. So everything is protected. So if you have any questions or something, or if you wondered how long are the cables like I wondered, I couldn't find any information about the cables. By the way, this one I got for free. This one came with a car for free. That's level 110, 12 volts, 12 amps. But this is level 2 slow charger, 16 amps. My infrastructure, what I built, is up to 40 amps, so 32. That's a level 2 higher, faster charger, but you need to pay money. This one I got for free. They just throw that in because I was so nice customer here in Calgary, Canada, Alberta, and one of the first, I think I'm the first electric customer over there because there is a waiting time from 6 to 8 months for 2019 Kona electric. And I just bought a demo. We bought a demo for a little bit cheaper because it was like 982 kilometers. Right now we made like 200, 220, 230 kilometers on top of that. And we took a full warranty, 8 years, 160,000, whatever comes. Plus it's electric, baby. Thank you for watching. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye. Okay. I forgot to mention the size of these guys. Didn't record when my wife was recording. I didn't. Just want to show you the size of these cables. So come on, guys. The level 2 charger with the smaller electricity is 3 times 2.5 millimeters, so 450 to 750. That's the cable, and the big cable is 300 volts, 105 Celsius, and cable itself is 14 American wire gauge. 3 conductors, right? And plus 18, I don't know what that means because it has 3 prongs, but the idea is to take this one here, I'm gonna do and cut it here, open it, and then connect it to my existing connection what I built inside the garage. That's the idea. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut it here, leave this, that's okay. I can cut it here, but I don't wanna unnecessary kill this connection here. And it's 16 amps maximum. They're gonna, this is by the way like 12 American gauge, 3.3, 3 conductors, of course, because it has 3. Originally I built 4 wires, but I'm gonna use only 3 wires because the original connection is 3 wires for the chargers, both of them, and I'm gonna use 3. So next operation is gonna be adapting this cable to existing armor cable in garage and connected it, and voila, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching.